This is Lee at Carson City RV. Today we're going to talk about the 429 Puma Loft. It's new for 2026. So why would you want to buy something that's 47 feet long? Well, a lot of people are living in these things full time, and they're designed and built for full-time living. So I'm going to walk around the coach. I'm going to show you some features and benefits and why it might be a good idea for you to purchase. Let's take a look. So walking around the coach, it is 43 feet long, well, including the A-frame, the actual toe part in the front. It's actually closer to 47 feet. And it's 13 feet 4 inches high. Including your AC units, it's probably a little bit over 14 foot. So this is something that you're definitely going to want to have set up somewhere that you're not going to have to move more than a couple of times a year, even if that. Now this thing has really big slides on it, and the slide mechanisms are rack and pinion. Let me show you. See down here, the rack and pinion setup is typically for more like heavy duty applications. So that's what Forest River is using on this product. Over here you've got your drains for your gray and black tank, your low point drain, and your vent for your furnaces there. Also, you've got some freshwater connections and black tank flush. Now this does have some hookups here in the back. I'm going to show you them. You also have a ladder that goes all the way up to the roof. The roof on this is fully walkable and it has a lifetime warranty. Now back here, LED tail lamps. You've got your outdoor shower, which of course is my preferred method of showering, is outdoors. Black tank flush, city water connection, and really important is you do have a 50 amp hookup. The thing about that is this has 3 AC units and a washer and dryer. So it's important to have that. On the outside here, you've got outdoor speakers. You do have a really large awning with an LED strip in it. So on those nights when you're outside, you got the awning out, you got a little bit of light, it's kind of nice. Inside this compartment here, you have some additional storage, and then there is an outlet. So if you wanted to install a small fridge, you could do that as well. Solid steps. Now a lot of people, especially the older folks, getting in and out of these things is kind of difficult, so they kind of included that. Welcome home. Here's your bathroom. So this is equipped with actually 2 bathrooms. So this is the smaller, kind of your half bath, but it does have a full shower tub enclosure and a toilet. And I've talked a little bit about in the other videos I've done. I'm not going to sit on the toilet like these guys in these other videos do. It's just not me. It's not my jam. Don't do it. So you do have a nice bunk room back here. Now this bunk can be latched up, so you have a little more room there. And the bottom sofa actually converts into a bed. On this side you have some more storage. And again, Forest River does a really good job with their cabinetry. Walking through here, here's your main living area. And because this is full-time living, you do have full-size appliances in the coach. So you have a full-size, real like residential style refrigerator, convection microwave, and that's a 24-inch. It's a real 4-burner stove with like a real oven. I mean, there's so many of these things that you look at the oven and it's like the size of a shoebox. Additional pantry storage. That's bigger than the pantry in my house. And then up here, this is like a 9-year-old's dream, okay? You walk up these stairs and you have this very spacious loft area and some additional storage. Even storage here. USB outlets throughout, power outlets throughout. It's really designed to be a home for long-term living. And the other thing that Forest River does that a lot of manufacturers don't do is they're starting to use solid surface countertops. Now, because it's going to be built for full-time living, they're actually putting more into these things. There's more content, so you actually have a full-size stainless steel farm sink. You have solid countertops, and just the overall build quality is really well. All of these cabinets are made out of real wood. They're not pressed. They're put together really nicely. The facings are really nice. Just really good touches throughout. 5100 BTU fireplace. Now that is a really good heat source. So in the wintertime, if you don't want to fire up the furnace, you can use that as a heat source. Now here's your master bath. Again, you have full-size real residential fixtures. You got some more storage here, and look at the size of this shower enclosure. Look at how far it goes up. Max airflow fan, and again, a toilet, and I'm not going to sit on it. Something that's really notable is you do have controls here, and then you do also have switches for your shades. Now, anytime you see in the coach that there's an upper window near the roof line, those are motorized shades that are built in, which is a nice touch. All your controls for your slides are here. Your tank levels, your black tank and gray tank levels are going to be there. You also have some additional storage here. Oh, and by the way, all the plumbing fixtures in this unit they're using PEX fixtures, which, if you have a problem with any kind of plumbing or anything, it's something that you could, purchase parts for at Home Depot. It's not a RV only kind of thing. As I said, you do have a full-size washer and dryer, and then you have this king-size bed in this suite here. Now, this is built into the slide. So the nice thing about that is you pick up some additional floor space here, which is a really good use of space. Built-in desk, so if you got your laptop, you could sit here, you got a nice window looking out. And then again, your cabinetry is just absolutely beautiful in these things. Your master closet has a hanging bar, which doesn't seem like a big deal, but you don't see that a lot in coaches. Again, 3 AC units, fireplace, you got your big screen TV, bunk room. I mean, you could sleep a lot of people in here. Okay, so there you have it. The best RV for full-time living, the 429 Loft. I hope you enjoyed the information that we've been giving you. So MSRP on this coach is $80,669. But here at Carson City RV, we believe in giving the best value possible to our customers, and we never sell anything for list price. Look down in the description, give me a call. I promise we will make you happy with the price and the payment, and we'll do it at your terms. So until next time, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.